If you're like many environmentalists, you do everything you can to help reduce your carbon footprint, right? You do things like use less plastics or drive fuel-efficient cars, or even electric cars for that matter. Maybe you even go as far as eating less meat or even eating no meat. Now, while these are excellent things to do to help the environment, there is one other way that I bet you probably haven't heard of before, and it involves your home. In Canada, 17% of greenhouse gas emissions are coming directly from buildings. And that includes your home. But how? How does that even happen? Well, older homes aren't equipped with the technology that we have today to use energy more efficiently. This includes attic insulation, basement insulation, air sealing, qualified furnaces and boilers, you name it. And without even realizing it, our homes are wasting a ton of energy, and we're contributing to a ton of greenhouse gas emissions. But there is an easy way to solve this. Luckily, Canadian homeowners have the ability to get their homes audited by energy advisors. Now, what do energy advisors do? Well, they basically find out how to make your home more energy efficient. Canadian homeowners can also get rebates to help cover the costs for those required upgrades. And to make it even easier, organizations like us can get that rebate for you, so you don't really have to do anything. Throughout this series, we're going to be exploring the many home improvements that are going to help increase your home's energy efficiency, as well as looking at the many resources available, such as energy rebates and energy audits. For now, let's end it here. If you'd like to stay up to date with this series, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below and let us know what you'd like to see in this series. And if you're looking to book a home energy audit, feel free to call, text, or email us. All the numbers are going to be on the screen. Thank you so much for watching today, and stay cool, my friends.